Yota, conscious development.
The kidneys are one of the most important organs in the human body, as they are responsible for filtering and eliminating waste and toxins that accumulate in our organism. Unfortunately, many people are not aware of the importance of taking care of their kidneys and may suffer from kidney problems due to a poor diet or other factors. Symptoms of kidney problems can vary, but some of the most common include pain or discomfort in the lower back, urinary problems, swelling in the legs or feet, fatigue and weakness, among others. If you have any of these symptoms, it is important to see a specialist for a checkup. If kidney problems are discovered, you can follow our recommendations in this and upcoming videos. To not miss our videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Also, help us promote this video in the community, comment on it, and forward it to people who may be interested. One of the things that can negatively affect the proper functioning of the kidneys is diet. Some foods can be harmful to the kidneys, especially if consumed in excess. For example, salt can increase blood pressure and damage the kidneys, while excess protein can be difficult for the kidneys to process and eliminate. In general, a balanced and healthy diet can help maintain the kidneys in good condition. It is recommended to reduce the consumption of processed or packaged foods, foods high in saturated fats, and increase the intake of fresh fruits and vegetables, which contain nutrients and beneficial antioxidants for the kidneys. Another important factor to consider is the consumption of alcohol and caffeine. These substances can increase blood pressure and dehydration, which can damage the kidneys in the long term. It is important to avoid tobacco and reduce exposure to toxic substances such as pesticides and cleaning chemicals. It is also recommended to limit the use of medications that may be harmful to the kidneys, such as nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and some antibiotics. It is important to talk to a doctor before taking any medication and always follow the instructions on the label. Another way to care for the kidneys is to control blood sugar and blood pressure levels, as diabetes and high blood pressure are two of the main causes of kidney problems. To do this, it is important to maintain a healthy and balanced diet, exercise regularly. In general, it is important to lead a healthy and active lifestyle to keep the kidneys in good condition. This includes regular exercise, reducing stress, and getting enough sleep. In summary, the kidneys are a vital organ for our body, and it is important to take care of them to prevent kidney problems and maintain good health in general. A balanced and healthy diet, drinking enough water, reducing the consumption of alcohol and caffeine, and leading an active and healthy lifestyle are some of the keys to keeping the kidneys in good condition and preventing kidney problems. If you experience symptoms of kidney problems, see a specialist for an appropriate checkup and continue watching the channel's videos to apply the good recommendations that will help you become healthier.
If you found this video interesting, please comment. This will help us promote healthy living in the community. Also, like and subscribe to our school's channel to stay informed, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see videos among the first.